Hi, good morning friends. Karishma and Ivanka are just shopping at this store called Michael's over here. We've come to a small mall and I'm sitting in the car checking all my YouTube comments and Facebook comments and Instagram comments. It's so fun to have engagement from you guys. Thank you very much. We are growing well and I'm very happy with your support. Thank you so much. So today we are now heading to the Tesla supercharger, and the only difference here is today Karishma is going to learn how to charge the Tesla. Now the car is 16 or 17 months old, but I told you she's always used public transport. She hardly drives the cars. But today she said, okay Ryan, I want to learn how to charge the car, and of course it's very easy, but I just want to show her, and you will watch also how she learns how to, and even Ivanka will learn how to charge the Tesla. So hopefully the charger is not very crowded and we can get into a charging spot right away. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video and hope you're enjoying all my videos. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay, this is what Ivanka's bought. Show us. Pens and coloring book. What else? Show us. Paint. Okay, nice. So you're gonna do some hobbies this week? Nice. Yeah, the kids are getting so bored with the lockdown. I mean, not lockdown, but you can't go everywhere. So she buys a lot of crafts and arts, and Ivanka does a lot of painting. So you're gonna paint something for me? Okay, she's gonna paint something for me too. Alright, we are at the Tesla charger. Karishma, first time for you here.
Yes, hi everyone.
So how does it feel to be charging the car for the first time?
No, it's pretty cool.
It's
Looking
cool.
forward to it.
Yeah, so I told the team that after 1.5 years, Karishma's found time to come and charge the car.
Yes, because usually I'm not the one driving it. I'm usually the public transport girl.
Yes.
So this is a refresher, I guess.
And all the Teslas are parked there. I'm going to show you guys the Model Y too, because that's the new Model Y, the white one. Ivanka, it's your first time in the Tesla charger. Okay, you guys want to come and see?
Let's go.
Let you sit, Ivanka. We are here, Baba. Just pick it up. You have to pick it up from the thing. There's a button on it. Just bring it here. Press the button. Press the button. Shove it in. That's it. Huh?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Pretty easy, right? That was fun showing Karishma how to charge for the first time. So we may go have some lunch opposite. There's a restaurant. We don't want to wait in the car, even though Ivanka is busy in the car. So Karishma, this is how you know it's charging.
Yeah.
See, you see here. Otherwise sometimes they don't work. So pretty easy, right?
Yeah,
Easier than filling fuel.
absolutely.
Alright, we're gonna hang around here for a bit. Just showing you guys the new Tesla Model Y. This is it here. It's just as big as the Model X but little lower. And all the Model Ys are parked here. That's the Model X, which is a big white one. But then this is the Model Y, the white here. They're quite big actually. So two Model Ys over here. Model S, this is Model S again, and this is the biggest Tesla, the Model X. So all lined up here, ready for delivery, new cars. The Tesla Model Y, which I just showed you, is selling very well. There's only one problem. They don't let you upgrade from Model 3 to Model Y because of the demand. So those who come to the Tesla showroom with a Model S or Model X, they will allow you to move to Model Y. But a Model 3 to Model Y is a very similar upgrade. So they'll not let you do that. And anyways, I think I'm pretty happy with my car, so I'm not going to upgrade. Do you think we should upgrade to the Model Y?
I like the sedan because I think
Yeah.
it's the Mercedes, which is a pure SUV, and then the sedan, it's a nice mix.
Yeah. So yeah, we are pretty happy for next couple of years with what we have. But Tesla is amazing. It's the way to go. You know, I was watching some videos of the Tata Nexon in India, the electric car by Tata. It's I mean, come on man, give me a break. It's horrible. It's okay for India, it's built there. It's a, you know, India made product, though a lot of parts are made in China. I know the sunroof is made in China and many other parts. The battery is made in China, so it's not fully Indian made car, but it's good. At least Tata, the brand, is doing something for the environment. But Tesla, of course, as we know, is a fully American made car. So that's also, it's, you know, it's like Harley Davidson, American brand. With the charging, so again Karishma is just coming to figure it out, and let's see if she can do it. You just pull it out, yeah, and you have to clamp it on there. That's a little confusing, be careful. Yeah, don't shove it. Yeah, one sec, take this. Just have to lightly do it. Leave. Yeah, this.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
And this closes on its own. Yeah, the first time is always a little, got you get used to the setup. Okay, heading back home. Very hot today. It's like 96 degrees Fahrenheit. How was it? Easy?
Easy breezy.
So now you can charge the car on your own.
Yep.
Alright, we are signing out now. What do you
Bye,
have to tell everyone?
Please like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys soon.
Yes, she said it. Ivanka, bye. Alright, heading home guys. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.
Bye, folks.